Good day. Today is August 6th, 2025, year of infamy. This is the Daily Brief from, of all things, the Daily Brief. Let me get it lined up. Snapshot. New carbon brief. IEA renewables will be the world's top power source by 2026. I guess that's important if you're into that sort of thing. Endangered angel shark habitats face ocean warming. I don't want to take the air out of their wind, but isn't everything having a habitat warming issue? News. China renewable energy accounts for 40% of power generation nationwide. You know, when I was growing up, they said that we had a missile gap. We didn't have enough nuclear weapons because the Russians, the communists, had more nuclear weapons than we had. So we had a missile gap. Well, you know, that's like 70 years ago. Now we have a renewable gap, and the US is losing mightily. UK's largest offshore wind farm receives approval. Financial Times, good for UK. Vatican strikes solar farm deal to become the world's first carbon neutral state. I knew there would be good news out there this morning. That's good. Want some more good news? Use Brave Browser, and you will no longer have to put up with commercials on YouTube. All right, at least until somebody finds out and changes things. In any case, Brave's the way to go. Another dandy browser is DuckDuckGo. Colombia deforestation surges 43%, fueled by fires, land grabbing, Reuters. Okay, we got that straight. Germany SPD accuses Reich of breaking the coalition agreement. Comment. The climate needs a politics of the possible. Editorial economist. Well, no shit, Sherlock. You don't have to be a deep ecologist to figure that out. Where does the climate movement go from here? Emily Atkin and Bill McGibbon. Hey, there's two heavy hitters. Heated as it is. Yeah. Research. New research on attitudes towards climate change in small island countries. I can tell you now what they're saying. This ain't right. Alaskan beaver ponds and carbon loss from freshwater lakes. Beaver ponds and carbon loss from freshwater lakes. That sounds interesting. Other stories inside the relentless race for AI capacity. My 2 cents, I use AI daily, but not in a big way, just to get definitions. I also use Wikipedia for something very exciting. Scientists map Antarctic seafloor canyons to help predict climate breakdown. And here we fact checked the Trump administration's climate report. Well, I bet that's a desert. Anyhow, this is new on Carbon Brief. Renewables will be the world's top power source by 2026. There is a link to Carbon Brief in the description box below. Good day.